We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and detailed analysis of the PUMA Kids Rise Trifold wallet. If you own this wallet, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The PUMA Kids Rise Trifold wallet, model number PE1094, is a unisex child accessory designed to introduce young people to the world of personal finance and responsibility. Manufactured by PUMA and first available in late 2021, this wallet has quickly climbed the ranks to become a popular choice, currently holding a strong position in the boys' novelty wallets category. With over 8,000 ratings and an impressive average score of 4.7 out of 5, it is clear that this wallet resonates with its target audience and their parents. The design of the PUMA Kids Rise Trifold wallet is both functional and visually appealing. Reviewers consistently praise its vibrant colors and strong stitching, which contribute to a sense of durability and quality. The wallet is constructed to withstand the daily activities of children, from being tossed into backpacks to being handled by young hands, still learning the importance of organization. The material feels robust, yet lightweight, making it easy for kids to carry without feeling weighed down. One of the standout features of this wallet is its size. It is compact enough to fit comfortably in the front or rear pocket of most children's clothing, although some parents note that it can be a bit wide for the back pocket of smaller jeans, such as those in size 6. However, it fits well in the front pocket, which is often more secure for active kids. The trifold design allows for a slim profile when closed, while still providing ample space for the essentials that children typically carry. The wallet includes several compartments that cater specifically to the needs of young users. There is a dedicated slot for photo ID, which is perfect for school identification cards or bus passes. A spacious pouch is available for cash, and a zippered pocket provides a secure place for coins. Additionally, there is a photo holder insert, which, while somewhat flimsy according to some reviews, can be used for storing extra cards or small notes. However, it is important to note that this insert is not as secure as a traditional card slot and can be pulled out easily. Behind the photo ID slot, there is a pocket that is open on both ends, which limits its usefulness for storing items securely. The wallet is secured with a sturdy Velcro closure. Parents and children alike appreciate the reliability of this feature, as it ensures that the contents remain safe even when the wallet is jostled around. Velcro is also easy for small hands to operate, making this wallet accessible for younger children who may not yet have the dexterity to manage snaps or zippers. When it comes to usability, the PUMA Kids Rise Trifold wallet excels as a first wallet for children. Many parents report that their children enjoy using the wallet to manage their cash, coins, school IDs, and even pretend ATM cards. This hands-on experience helps kids learn important lessons about saving, spending, and responsibility. The wallet is also praised for encouraging organizational skills, as children learn to keep their belongings in order and take pride in managing their own finances. The overall build quality of the wallet exceeds expectations for many buyers. Despite its affordable price point, the wallet does not feel cheap or flimsy. The stitching is reinforced in key areas, reducing the likelihood of fraying or tearing over time. The materials used are resistant to everyday wear and tear, and the vibrant colors do not fade easily, even with frequent use. This durability is especially important for a product aimed at children who may not always handle their belongings with the utmost care. While the wallet is primarily designed for children, some adults have expressed a desire for a similarly sized wallet for themselves. They appreciate the compact form factor and straightforward design, but note that the wallet falls short in terms of adult functionality. Specifically, the lack of dedicated credit card slots and the limited security of the photo holder insert make it less suitable for adults who need to carry multiple cards. The open-ended pocket behind the photo ID slot is also seen as a missed opportunity for additional storage. Despite these limitations, the wallet fulfills its intended purpose exceptionally well. It is tailored to the needs of children who typically do not carry a large number of cards or require extensive organizational features. The wallet provides just enough space for the essentials, without overwhelming young users with unnecessary compartments or complexity. The aesthetic appeal of the wallet is another point of praise. The bold colors and PUMA branding give it a sporty, modern look that resonates with kids. The design is gender neutral, making it suitable for both boys and girls. The wallet's appearance is often cited as a reason why children are excited to use it, and many parents note that their kids are proud to show off their new accessory to friends and family. In terms of performance, the wallet holds up well under daily use. The Velcro remains strong after repeated opening and closing, and the compartments retain their shape even when filled with coins or folded bills. The zippered pocket operates smoothly and provides a secure place for loose change, which is often a challenge for young children to manage. The wallet's overall construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of child ownership, from playground adventures to school trips. There are a few minor drawbacks to consider. As mentioned earlier, the wallet's width may make it a tight fit in smaller back pockets, and the photo holder insert could be improved for greater security. Additionally, the lack of dedicated credit card slots limits its usefulness as children grow older and begin to carry more cards. However, these issues are relatively minor when weighed against the wallet's many strengths. Parents consistently report high levels of satisfaction with their purchase. They appreciate the wallet's role in teaching their children about money management and responsibility. The wallet is often given as a gift for birthdays or holidays, and it is frequently described as a great first wallet that children love to carry. The positive feedback from both parents and children underscores the wallet's effectiveness as a tool for fostering independence and organizational skills. The PUMA Kids Rise Trifold wallet also stands out for its value. It offers a combination of durability, functionality, and style at a price point that is accessible for most families. The wallet's popularity and high customer ratings are a testament to its quality and appeal. For parents seeking a reliable, attractive, and user-friendly wallet for their child, the PUMA Kids Rise Trifold wallet is a top contender. In summary, the PUMA Kids Rise Trifold wallet is a well-designed accessory that meets the needs of young users. Its compact size, durable construction, and thoughtful features make it an ideal choice for children learning to manage their own money. While it may not offer all the features that adults require, it excels in its intended role as a first wallet for kids. The wallet's vibrant colors, strong stitching, and secure closure ensure that it will withstand the demands of daily use. Parents and children alike appreciate its practicality and style, making it a highly recommended option in the category of children's wallets. If you are considering a wallet for your child, the PUMA Kids Rise Trifold wallet is a product that deserves serious consideration. Its combination of quality, usability, and visual appeal sets it apart from many competitors. Remember to check the link in the description to learn more and support the channel. If you have experience with this wallet, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is invaluable in guiding future buyers and ensuring that children have the best tools to learn about financial responsibility.